Hi guys, we are here at Casa Rosalinda. This is located in Bulacan. Saan nga in particular?
Santa Rita.
Santa Rita. Hindi, Santa Rita tayo lumabas.
Santa Barbara.
Pero sa barangay Santa Barbara, somewhere here in... Halos Pulila na rin ata ito eh. But anyway, so this is isa sa mga sikat din kasi to na pinupuntahan ng mga maraming kumakain and vlogger, no? Kasi madami din yung set ng food na available dito. Plus, affordable din siya. So, samahan nyo kami uli guys for this another adventure ng kainan. Dito naman, napunta na tayo ng Bulacan. So, we will try kung ano ba yung mga pagkain. Papakita ko sa inyo later on. So, yan guys, let's check. Saka na. Dito tayo. Nag-park lang kami doon sa likod. So pagpupunta kayo dito, sa bandang likod yung kanilang parking area. So along highway lang naman siya. So yan. So ito na, pasok tayo. Check natin. So yan guys, Casa Rosalinda. Yan. Yan yung parking. So, pasok na tayo. Kasi yung mga pagkain, ito siya.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
And guys, we will try their food. In first round, ito yung mga kinuha muna natin. So, meron tayo ditong crispy chicken skin. Meron tayong chicharong bulaklak, beef bulgogi, siomai. And then, ito yung hamonado plus yung kangkong. Marami pang food, mamaya we'll try, no? So, yun yung mga kinuha ni Che. Let's try itong chicharong bulaklak. try the crispy chicken skin. Dip natin sa suka. Ayan. Medyo hindi siya kalutungan, pero siguro pag bagong luto, maluto. Okay naman. So ano yan yung try mo? Lumpia Shanghai. Okay naman siya. Try natin yung siomai. So natin yung siomai nila. Sarap yung sauce nila. Parang ordinary siomai lang yun, pero okay naman. Ito yung hamonado, let's try. Namis na hamonado nila. Pero masarap.
May na-offer silang mga drinks.
Try natin yung kangkong. Yan. Okay guys, sulit dito.
Saan pala ito? Palabo?
Kain muna tayo guys. Guys, meron din sila ditong asado. Medyo matamis lang talaga siya. Pero okay naman din. Asado to. Akala ko kas papaitan. Ang lambot ah. Kamainit. Then meron din silang dinuguan. Yeah. Let's try. Okay. Let's try another. Okay din. Malambot. And may pork.
Kasi ano mo?
Na parang adobo na may mushroom. Tingnan natin. Try. Okay naman din siya. And of course, bagong lubos na siyang bulak na. Let's try. Crunchy. Guys, tinry natin yung kanilang soup. Nilagyan natin ng dahon ng sibuyas and garlic. And then, they have palabok, pero I prepared it low carb. Ang ginamit ko lang ay itlog lang. Then, lagyan natin ng konting sauce lang, plus the toppings. So, let's try it. Isa pang kanilaga. Isa yung low carb palabok na itlog lang. Walang noodles. Just the egg. Sarap. So yun guys, we're done eating dito sa Casa Rosalinda. This is located pala in Baliwag, no, to be more exact. Mali yung pagkakasabi ko kanina. So, ngayon kasi weekend, and so far okay naman yung mga pagkain nila. If you are looking for a typical Filipino food, no, so ito yung pwede nyo puntahan at subukan. So ang price nila dito ay 299 pesos only, and okay na, makakain na kayo ng madami, no? May pork, may beef, merong chicken, and then they have vegetable, and then the mga noodles and pasta, and of course dessert. So yeah, we have enjoyed eating here. So again, I hope na isa na naman ito sa mga naituro namin sa inyo at pwede nyo puntahan din at subukan. So if you are here near, no, sa Baliwag, sa Bulacan, Casa Rosalinda, isa sa mga buffet na pwede nyo puntahan for only 299 pesos. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Continue to support our channel. Bye-bye.